The third China International Consumer Products Expo kicked off on Monday in Haikou, South China's Hainan province. Over 3,100 brands from 65 countries and regions partake in the third CICPE, the first large-scale international expo after China optimized its COVID-19 response. The expo serves as an important platform for global high-end brands to accelerate their entry into and expansion in the Chinese market, which helps create new opportunities to boost the development of the global market.
今年呢，其实是德国卡赫第一次参加咱们海南的一个消博会。那我们也是希望说是能够通过咱们200多平的展台，能够向我们全国所有的观众能够展示德国卡赫在咱们这个消费品领域的一个全线的产品。
这个消博会也是我们就是至少向中国内陆的这些市场的话，是展现我们品牌的一个窗口，就是我们对这个中国的这个市场的信心很大。所以第3届消博会我们现在筹备的话，我们展位面积扩大了1半，然后的话带了很多的新品，然后也更相信能在第3届消博会上找到更多的这种合作的经销商、合作伙伴。
As Italy is the guest country of honor for CICPE 2023, Italian brands expect to showcase their products and connect with Chinese consumers. According to Altagamma, an Italian foundation of luxury brands, China's luxury consumer base is growing, and by 2030, the Chinese luxury market will be the largest globally, outgrowing that of Europe and the United States.
We see in China is a unique opportunity that we don't see so far in other countries. So yes, it's a very special opportunity, this Expo Hainan, to reinforce this message, to establish new connection, and to make sure that the Italian quality, the Italian excellence is rightly conveyed to the country.
The total exhibition area of the Expo reaches 120,000 square meters this year, an increase of 20% over the previous edition. The Expo is slated to conclude on April 15th.